In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add custom registration questions in Livestorm. Whether you're hosting a webinar, a meeting, or an event, you might need to gather specific information from your participants during the registration process. Adding custom registration questions is an easy way to ensure you're getting the insights you need before your event starts. First, let's dive into the Livestorm dashboard. If you don't already have an account, check out the first link below where you can use the software completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Once you're logged into Livestorm, navigate to your event. Whether it's a webinar or a meeting, go ahead and click on the event you want to modify. From there, you'll see a tab for registration settings. Now, to add custom registration questions, scroll down until you find the registration section. You'll notice an option that says Custom Questions. Click on it to open up a new menu where you can start adding your questions. This is where you can get creative, tailoring the questions to fit your exact needs. Whether you're asking for basic information like job titles or more specific details related to the event, Livestorm gives you the flexibility to add multiple questions. You can choose from different types of questions: text, multiple choice, or drop-down, depending on the kind of response you want. For example, if you want to know the participants' preferred topics for the event, you could use a multiple choice question to give them predefined options to choose from. Or, if you're looking for more detailed feedback, a text box question could allow them to type in a personalized response. After setting up your questions, you can easily rearrange them to prioritize the most important ones. You'll also notice an option to mark questions as required or optional. If a question is crucial for your event, make sure to set it as required so participants can't skip it. Next, let's talk about how these questions will appear to your registrants. When someone goes to register for your event, they'll see the registration form with your custom questions embedded. They'll fill it out before completing the registration process. It's a smooth, user-friendly experience that won't disrupt your event's flow. Once you've set everything up, don't forget to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added custom registration questions in Livestorm. This simple yet powerful feature can help you gather the right information from attendees and tailor your event experience accordingly. One more thing. If you're using Livestorm, you have access to analytics that can show you who answered what, giving you deeper insights into your audience. It's a great way to make sure your content aligns with their interests and needs. Remember, you can try Livestorm for free with an extended trial using the exclusive link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to explore all of Livestorm's features and see how it can elevate your event planning. I hope this guide was helpful, and if you found it useful, don't forget to check out the link for your free trial. Happy hosting, and I'll see you in the next video.